Alright, so here's the update for Sunday. There's some color changes. Mainly the thing is that I just built out all of these other pages. So for instance, if we click on Alive Core, which is an OS, we'll see the ratings, which are still hand-coded. The similar apps are also updated, so some of them have none, some of them link to each other, which I'll talk about. Security features, I got a bit lazy. I think most of them look about the same. And then this search function is built out and formatted. So if we want to look for everything that's HTTPS and iOS, we'll see all of the apps that have that. Oh, and then for the footer, so I know we talked about letting people know, okay, what do all these terms mean? So I put this all on the footer, so it's in on every page, and people can just scroll down and see, what the security features mean and what our ratings are. I kind of figured this is, I mean, it seems pretty obvious, or subjective anyway, so it's hard to explain. But or it'll be pretty straightforward, credibility and ease of use. Oh, and then another PHP thing is that you can tell the page to let people know when the last time the date was modified. So the last time I fixed this page was 9:59 this morning. Next up, so there's the login page as usual. You can log in this time, and then from there is the add an app option. So this works the same way as it always does. And then it'll tell you all the apps you added. And then the one change I did make is that we now have a delete app function. So this will just give people an entire list of all of our apps in the database. And then you can just type in an app ID to delete it. Because I figured it's kind of long to type all these names or copy and paste. So for instance, Healthy Doors is not an actual app. And so we can click 9 and then actually first, let's just make sure. So these are all the things in our database. And so we'll see, yeah, Healthy Doors exists right here. So we delete it, it'll say, great, deleted it successfully. And then when we check our database, we'll see that, yeah, Healthy Apps is gone. And let's see. Um, okay, so there's a little bit of a difference right between the iOS and Android. iOS will say, this is a credential, all the ratings. What I decided to do for the similar apps and comparison is I know I think Lillian mentioned like highlighting where the differences were. So this is just a simple like text thing. So we'll see whatever is highlighted green or teal is better. So we can see, yeah, it's got a better ease of use, better credibility, overall satisfaction was better. And then when you go into Map My Run, you'll see the same thing. It'll link back to Runkeeper, but it won't have anything highlighted because Runkeeper doesn't have any better ratings. The one thing I just remembered that I could do is for the iOS to also link to the other version, right? We said, because that's what I did for the Android Runkeeper. So I said, check out the iOS version and showed the parts of the iOS version that were rated higher. And yeah, that's it for the webpage. Let me know if you have more suggestions, but I'm pretty, I don't know, I think we have a lot of content.